Miami Beach homes are all about sunlight, fresh air, and ocean views, and your windows play a major role in how you experience all three. If you're considering upgrading your home's windows, casement windows are one of the best choices for both function and style in a coastal environment. With their sleek design and superior performance, casement windows offer a combination of beauty, ventilation, and energy efficiency that fits perfectly with the Miami Beach lifestyle. Whether you own a modern beachfront property or a classic coastal cottage, these windows can elevate your comfort and enhance your home's overall appeal. Here's why casement windows are the perfect match for homes in Miami Beach. Maximized airflow and ocean breezes. Miami Beach homeowners love natural ventilation, and casement windows deliver it better than almost any other style. Hinged on the side and opening outward like a door, casement windows catch passing breezes and channel them directly into your home. Unlike sliding or double-hung windows that open only halfway, casement windows open fully, allowing for maximum airflow. This feature is especially valuable in coastal areas where fresh ocean air can help cool your home naturally and reduce your dependence on air conditioning. By strategically placing casement windows throughout your home, you can create cross-ventilation that keeps your living spaces fresh, airy, and comfortable all year long. Unobstructed views and natural light. With Miami Beach's stunning scenery, it only makes sense to install windows that showcase it. Casement windows feature a single, uninterrupted pane of glass that provides clear, wide-open views of your surroundings, whether it's palm trees, waterfront vistas, or a lush tropical garden. Their slim, modern frames also allow for more natural light to flood your interior, creating bright, inviting spaces that perfectly match Miami's sunlit ambiance. The open design helps blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, making your home feel larger and more connected to the environment. Energy efficiency. For Florida's climate with the tropical heat and humidity of Miami Beach, energy efficiency is essential. Casement windows are among the most airtight and energy-efficient designs available, thanks to their compression seal system. When closed, the sash presses tightly against the frame, preventing air leaks and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Modern casement windows can also be upgraded with low emissivity glass to reflect heat and UV rays, double or triple glazing for superior insulation, argon gas fills to minimize thermal transfer, weather-resistant frames that block moisture and drafts. These features help reduce your cooling costs and protect your home from the relentless Miami sun, all while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment year-round. Durability and weather resistance. Living near the coast means your home's windows must withstand strong winds, salt air, and sudden rain. Casement windows are ideal for this environment because of their strong frame structure and tight ceiling design. When closed, their sash locks securely against the frame, providing excellent protection against wind-driven rain and moisture. Many casement windows in Florida are also built with impact-resistant glass, designed to withstand high winds and flying debris during tropical storms. Frame materials like vinyl, aluminum, or fiberglass resist corrosion, warping, and fading, ensuring long-term durability even in Miami Beach's salty coastal air. Modern style that complements coastal homes. Casement windows offer a clean, contemporary look that complements Miami Beach's architectural diversity. Their sleek lines and versatile configurations make them suitable for both modern homes and traditional seaside properties. Available in a wide range of colors, finishes, and hardware options, casement windows can be customized to fit your home's personality. They blend perfectly with Miami Beach's emphasis on indoor-outdoor living, allowing sunlight and sea breezes to flow freely while maintaining elegant curb appeal. Low maintenance and easy operation. Casement windows are simple to operate using a crank handle or lever, making them ideal for hard-to-reach places such as over kitchen counters. Their wide opening also makes cleaning easy, since you can access both sides of the glass from inside your home. Modern finishes and weatherproof materials mean your casement windows will stay looking fresh and perform reliably with minimal upkeep, perfect for busy Miami Beach homeowners. A smart upgrade for Miami Beach. Living from the ocean breeze to the blazing sunshine, Miami Beach homes experience it all. And casement windows are designed to handle these conditions beautifully. They bring in more light, offer superior airflow, and keep your home cool and secure, all while enhancing its modern coastal aesthetic. When you're ready to upgrade, choose a professional Miami Beach window installation expert who understands local weather and building requirements. With high-quality materials and expert craftsmanship, your new casement windows will make your home brighter, breezier, and more efficient, the perfect fit for life in Miami Beach.